Robert.
Hello, Palette. Auntie Etel, good evening, you. How do you do?
Who this here calling me? Hello?
I tell you, like, you do them good. See that? I look like you win down a lot.
Which window?
You see
Robert?
that? You see upstairs the people they live. You see it?
Which Robert?
See them upstairs. So one time they walk.
Wait. I'm not tapping on nice. Somebody are calling me. Which Robert? Yeah.
They heard that I'm not.
Who?
That I'm not the one.
Me must leave your man alone. Leave which man? Which Robert? Which Robert you talk about? What? What you say? You come on my house, come beat me up.
If you go suck your mother.
No. If you think bitch, who you talk to? Me, you take for your man. Huh? Oh, so you okay? So who tell us what me live? And which one Robert you talk about?
That's somebody pull your foot.
What? Who you bitch up? Robert, wait, this is somebody up on the phone I talk about.
Maybe it's another robot.
No.
But how come you don't call my
tell me
phone?
which part you come from.
How come you don't call my phone? You call your phone.
No, lady. When time you're ready, you come on my house. Come.
You know your house?
Yeah.
No, yours. Not na lie, matter. Making go far away, matter na talk and then tell him say over here.
No. Come. What? Yeah, come with your friend them.
So we have to barrage to come.
Oh, what? Hey.
You stupid
No,
bastard.
it's supposed to be my baby. No, I don't. Why you don't call my phone? Can I talk with the person?
No, me not make you talk to them as somebody. I can't talk about say them go come at my house.
Tell him
Give me the phone. Let me talk now. I don't know.
Tell him to
So,
come
give
out.
Robert the phone. Give Robert.
Tell him to
Me
come.
not give me.
I'm gonna beat
What? If I remember that, yes, I remember that at the background. Yes, so come. Girl, you know which part we come from? You know business. We Jamaican people, what?
Some people will cut off your head and
Hey, so you go beat my mother.
You can't beat me. Go away. You rip up belly.
You can't imagine. You can't. Alright, yes, BL2.
No, don't give the person your address now.
You know what? You come
No,
off from
don't give the person your address. Who is that person?
my bitch, come off from my phone. Come off from my phone. What? You want to catch my
No.
mother? Oh, see, I have strength for my mother.
You can't do me nothing.
No, wait, maybe.
Let me not have time for you, lady. Come off, bitch.
Is it
Come
a
off from
man
my
or a
phone. Come
woman?
off from me. What, you're a woman. I want your girl.
You can't say so, because you don't know who. You should have make him talk.
Yes, let me talk now. Let me see if it is a man or a woman or girl or
Call back your
picnic.
number, Robert.
Me not call you back.
Call your number, Robert.
Give me the phone.
Let me call now. Let me see
No.
who.
And Robert insists.
But if you catch mommy, you just
He
broke
can't do me
Wait, oh.
nothing. He can't do me nothing. Me
I
have
know
You know your mom?
Yes, I hear background in me say yes.
Hey,
mother.
Robert, me not afraid of nobody. She can't do me nothing.
Me either.
The person Jamaican language you must speak.
No, proper African.
Then tell him to come. Tell him to come.
Really?
Tell him to come. Me a wait pan her. Tell her say me a wait pan her.
So who that day? What a piece
Your
of
foot
shit.
someone. I
mouse.
cause him one cause. I pull him up, pull your string.
Me no get anybody to.
Ma pull your
Who is that?
pull your
Who
foot.
is calling who? For
You want
who's
some of my
sake?
food?
What?
You want some of my food?
Many man no must want some.
You want some?
Judan alone will beat him up. All OJ mommy because you don't know me for I know it.
Mommy, it's a prank. I just prank you.
Hey!
She already knows.
You see, I told you, Judah was telling them.
Judan tell mommy, but mommy not understand.
But Judah tell them, no? That's what I was just trying to tell you.
She don't know. I'm telling you, she don't know.
I didn't know it was a prank because I cussed me a cuss out.
That's why she thought she don't know any prank.
Yeah, but
Well, then, was
what
there a
I'm
prank
trying to
with
tell
you?
is that Judah was trying to tell
Yeah,
me.
let me tell you, even
Yeah.
if Judah tell her,
Yeah,
she don't know.
but as I was looking at Judah, so Judah stopped. You know?
It's a prank. It's not
Oh,
real. We
gosh.
pranked you.
Okay. Whether if I prank you or no, me know me a cussing because I want things to come because I want big broomstick
Oh,
round her
no,
back
that-
and you me a beat out shit all time.
Not only am I gonna
Guys,
use
I
it,
just broke my mom.
but if I was true, I'd actually get my 2 sticks at the back.
I Roberta want something around the like when him rake. A good one that if you just drag him to me and give a couple back blah blah blah. Me right on a work. No wrong with what do you want?
Never play with a Jamaican mom child.
Well, leave your
They will
mom,
go
leave
crazy.
your man alone. Which one? And I beat out the girl shit out. That means when I don't beat him, he fly shit fire so to
Oh,
where back
Lord.
Sanitizer.
Is it your car?
Dusty was getting bullied.
You need to use hand sanitizer, sanitize all the places you touch with your chicken hand.
And threw down my own tent.
And it smells so food.
You're going like a your car.
Smell food.
She said, "You're coming to my office." I will go down to Mr. Gray's office.
You're taking piss. You better look where you go.
Even worse.
Nonsense.
Well, I am not going there.